You're watching the TheMvegastyle, and I'm going to show you how to make a drop-down menu on Google SpreadSheets. Now, I pre-configured these pages to save on time. So this first tab here, this first sheet, I'm going to use where we actually have the drop-downs. Okay. Now, on the second tab here that I created, I pre-listed different game companies for an example. Okay. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to go back to this first sheet here. All right. And then I'm going to select an area where I want to put the drop down. Now I right click on it and then scroll all the way to the bottom and go to data validation. Okay. Now I'm going to go to data. All right. I'm going to click in the criteria area and then select my different list here with information all the way down. Click and drag, and it's going to put in what area, what cells I want the data from. So I selected this area, and that's exactly what's here. I'm going to go ahead and hit OK. And then I'm going to go ahead and hit save. So now when I go back to the drop down menu sheet, you'll see that there's a little caret here so that I have a drop down list. So as you can see, it even puts game companies. I can select Nintendo. I can select Sega, maybe Konami, that kind of thing. So now the next question could be, well, can you have the data in the same area or in the same sheet? Yes, you can. So let me go to data. And what I'm going to do this time is I'm just going to select these. I'm going to copy them over to my first sheet. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and paste those there. All right, so we're going to do the same thing in this cell. So I'm going to right click on it, then hit data validation on the right side of criteria. I'm going to click in there, and then I'm going to select the data. So it's inputted right here now, right? So I'll hit OK. I'll hit save. And then now I have the drop-down menu for these different items for the list that I created. So with that said, thanks for watching the TheMvegastyle.